Hi guys, this is Rajesh. In this video, I will show you how to create account in Irabank. Why I should I create account in Irabank means it is an online payment gateway and you can take the loans and deposit schemes and transaction money. You can transfer money from one country to other country. It is international payment gateway. It's the best and safe and fast and secure payment gateway. If any person wanted to send money from USD to INR, he can deposit money by using credit card, debit card, PayPal, anything. He will deposit and he can transfer money to you all, and that person can withdraw in INR other person. Okay. Now you need to create your account. First of all, you need to give your personal details, just like email ID. To create account, first name, last name, and country, your mobile number, city, and everything. But account, we could not charge any fees on this. Okay, Irabank does not charge any money to create the account. It is a completely free and there is a no transaction fees on it. You can use for WHMCS and WordPress both, and I will provide that plugins in next video. Okay, follow these steps and enter your email ID. And okay, I will change my username right now. And okay, here you can select your country, by default India, and enter your mobile number here. Anyone can send, and he will get the automatically one transaction number. By using the transaction number, you can do, any person can send money to you. You can enter your password here, and after that I agree your policy, privacy policy, and terms and conditions. And after that you will receive OTP and fill up that, and now after that you will receive to your dashboard. Okay, account number this is, and your available balance and deposits, withdrawals, transaction, loans. To do transaction, you no need to deposit 1 rupee also. Okay, other person who wanted to send money, he can deposit and he will transfer money to your account. And here you can do transaction histories. Here you can add the persons who wanted to send money, means if you wanted to send money to other person, here you can add, just add benefiters, and there you can add your account number, and automatically username will be taken. After that enter the name, after that add benefitor, then after that you can do transaction. Here you will receive OTP to your email ID or SMS. Here you can check your transaction history, and here you will get the loans by clicking on loans, and withdraws, deposits, more, and you can change your profiles and passwords and everything. Here first of all you need to fill up your KYC. Here you enter your upload photo and name, about your, means your employer, freelancer, or anything. If you are freelancer, I am a web developer, application developer. If businessman says, enter the business name, and choose your government approved documentary, just like Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, or anything. Different countries and different government approved documentaries is available. You need to upload that photo. After that click on submit, the KYC will be verified, then you can transfer funds, or you can deposits and everything. You can take the loans and everything. Everything will be fine, and in next video I will show you how to add the WHM's module and WordPress plugin. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching.